Hi, this is Matt again. In this video I'm going to show you a technique for reusing content across pages in your site. To get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page type, and basically a type is like a folder or a route within your application. So I'm just going to call this a component for a lack of a better term, and I'm going to just give it a default layout and default styles. And I'm not going to require a login. So basically what this did was it created a new type of route for the application. So I'm going to go in to component, and I'm just going to add a page just like I would add any other page in the site. In this example, I'm just going to create a welcome banner that can be used across different pages of the site. Alright, so now that we've created the component, I'm just going to go in and add some basic content. So I'm going to say welcome, welcome to our site. And this content's fine, so I'm just going to hit save and publish, and what this is going to do is it's essentially going to create a page in our site. But since we're not directing any URLs to it, it won't be publicly accessible outside of including it in other pages. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into our page that we created before. Let's use our about page, and I'm going to add this as a component of this page. So I'm just going to start by removing this element because we're not going to use this anymore, and I'm going to remove this piece as well just to make it a little easier to see what's going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this content widget and I'm going to drag it into this box here, and it says not selected right now, but I'm going to click on it, and from the pages I'm going to select this welcome component. You notice that this updates and says component welcome, which matches the route we created earlier, and I am going to save and publish this. Now when we reload our page, we should see this update. So you'll see welcome to our site, and this is a welcome banner that we can reuse across different pages in our site.